Kajingan thau MLA ka BJP na South Shillong Bah Sanbor Shulai bo MP Lok Sabha ka Congress na Shillong seat ba Vincent H pala umla ban le ai na marudan sa kaliang persya bat bau hap ban subam sukta saat hakendong kampan sultanat ikinoi lam ka Congress ha Meghalaya. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ka no paisingi jong arpu pratari urampang arja arpusa uba Ronnie V Lingdo MLA ka Congress na malim barunong ilam kaliang persya ula bujing kali kalayo Bah Sanbor Shulai ba Katno sien ula jukran Ïing Dorbar thawan ka jela nalor ka bam jupoy tikana.
You see, then you find out how many times Bah Sanbor Shulai has attended the assembly, how many times has he spoken in the assembly. Okay. And then regarding Bah Pala, I think a lot of work has been done by him. You know, he's a very quiet man. He doesn't, seek publicity like some of these politicians. A lot of things he has done for us, and I think a lot of projects that have been undertaken in the state of Meghalaya is due to his effort. And then he has spoken in the parliament, and that we will share it with you later on. But the allegation of Bah Sanbor rings hollow because he himself hardly speaks in the house, hardly attends the house. And I think you're all aware.
This time he has not even once, he didn't come once. Did he?
I don't know whether he came or not, but have you heard him speaking in the house?
He came.
Have you heard? Huh?
He
came, but have you, just coming to the house,
Did he speak
and not saying
this time?
anything, you might as well stay back home. As good as staying back at home. So his allegation rings hollow because maybe he doesn't, follow the proceedings in Parliament where Mr. Vincent Pala, MP of Shillong Turasit, has, participated in the House to address issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. Yeah, I know. But then you should also understand that in the last 2-3 years, COVID was there. And then a lot of schemes were not released by the government of India. So what do you talk about? For example, Narega. They have slashed the budget for Narega and so many other things. The budget, for rural development has been slashed. So now, just having a meeting with nothing to talk about doesn't make any sense.
I will also clarify on Bah Pala's parliament performance. We will be soon having a press conference on the performances by the Shillong MP. It is available in the website, Parliament website also. He has asked 235 questions in the Parliament. And a lot of his work will be demonstrated to the press in a detailed manner in the coming days. That will be a separate one once we are closer to the elections announcements. It will be done there. And I also like to clarify that there were some reports about Bah Pala today in the newspaper, one of the newspapers. I have personally clarified with Bah Pala, and whatever statements he has made on India alliances with respect to the statements which has come across, Bah Pala has done his discussions as a PCC president, in his responsibility as a PCC president, with the concerned leaders of the AICC in Delhi, and only after having that discussions he has made that statement, and he stands by that statement. So that is a clarification for you issued after talking to the PCC president Bah Pala on that one.